you're an investor who owns shares of a stock that you like. Just like other investors, you're aware stock prices don't only go up. In fact, at some point, you've probably experienced a sell-off in the market or to one of the stocks you own in your portfolio. Have you ever considered ways you could potentially protect your stocks against negative moves in the market? There is an option strategy that helps you protect against a decline in a stock's price, but doesn't limit your upside potential if the stock price were to go higher. This strategy is referred to as the protective put. Here's how it works. First, you own shares of a stock that you don't necessarily want to sell. Second, you buy a put option, giving you the right to sell the stock at a lower price for a certain period of time. Usually, you choose a put that is below the current stock price, but where you'd be willing to sell the stock if it were to decline. So what happens next? If the stock price goes higher, you profit from the increase, but you lose the premium you paid to buy the put. But remember, it's comforting to know that your stock is protected since you hedged your stock by purchasing a put. If the stock price remains even, you lose the premium you paid to buy the put, but you're protected for a certain period of time against losses from a decline in the stock price. If the stock goes lower, you sell your stock at the predetermined price and are protected against further losses to the downside. Some investors like to use a stop order to help limit losses and sell their stock if the stock price declines. However, there are concerns with a stop order. Specifically, what happens if something negative were to occur when the markets aren't open and the stock were to gap lower? By the time the market opens, the stock price has already dropped below the intended stop level, and the stop order didn't work at all as intended. However, with a protective put, you know exactly the price where you can sell your stock if the stock price were to decline. You can use this option strategy in both your brokerage and retirement accounts, including your IRA. The next time you want to protect your stock, remember to consider your options. If you'd like to learn more about using option strategies in your portfolio or to add options approval to your accounts, visit us today at etrade.com.